What if I told you that right now as you watch this, over 1 million people around the world are being paid in crypto to help train AI? No, this isn't sci-fi. This is actually happening. And the numbers are kind of insane. Here's something the big AI companies don't always advertise. AI still needs humans, a lot of them. You've probably heard about AI training on data. But raw data isn't enough. Someone has to label it, check it, judge whether an AI response is good or bad, and tell the model when it gets things wrong. Automated systems can help, but they have a huge weakness. They optimize for proxies, not actual human judgment. They can be gamed. They miss nuance. They don't understand changing norms or real-world context. So, the dirty little secret of AI. Human feedback is irreplaceable. And getting it at scale is a massive operational nightmare. The problem? Think about the challenges. You need millions of people completing tasks consistently. They need to be real humans, not bots. You need to verify who they are. You need to pay them across dozens of countries, in small amounts, efficiently. Traditional platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk exist, but they come with fees, friction, and fraud. Paying people globally in traditional currency is slow and expensive. So, what's the solution? This is the reveal moment. Enter Pi Network. Pi has built something genuinely unique, a globally distributed workforce of identity-verified humans, over 18 million of them across 200 countries already active, already on the platform, already with crypto wallets set up. And they've already proven they can work at scale. Over 1 million verified users completed more than 526 million tasks through Pi's native KYC verification system. That's over 500 million tasks. Not hypothetical. Done. Because every contributor is KYC verified, meaning their identity has actually been confirmed. Companies using this workforce get something huge: protection against bots and fraud from day one. And because the workforce is global, you get natural localization. People from different languages, regions, and cultural contexts, which makes the data and feedback way more representative of the real world. The payment angle. Now here's where it gets interesting from a business model perspective. Paying millions of people globally in regular money is a logistical nightmare: banking fees, international transfers, compliance issues. Pi solves this with crypto payments. Workers already have Pi wallets. They already understand the system. So the payment layer is already built. And Pi is taking it further. Companies can actually issue their own tokens through something called Pi Launchpad and use those tokens to pay workers. The tokens can also double as a user acquisition tool, give access to products, enable discounts, governance rights, and more. It's a totally different model. Instead of labor being purely an expense, it becomes part of your growth strategy. The bigger picture. And here's the really big idea behind all of this. We are on the edge of the next AI frontier: physical AI and robotics. Just like internet-scale data made large language models possible, massive human-generated data about the physical world could be the key to the next robotics breakthrough. Pi's workforce, millions of verified, active, globally distributed humans, could be exactly the infrastructure that makes that happen. This isn't just a gig economy platform. It's human coordination infrastructure for the AI age. So next time you interact with an AI, remember, somewhere behind that response, a human probably helped make it better. And increasingly, they might be getting paid in crypto to do it. If you found this interesting, drop a comment. What do you think? Is this the future of work? Or are there risks I'm missing? And if you want more breakdowns of how AI actually works behind the scenes,